Well, hello, my joyful subbies. Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl, Joy Fuller, the chief crafter for the Joyful Designs brand, here to bring you another DIY. So if DIYs on a budget is what you're looking for, then keep watching. And as always, it's time to craft. Let's go. Let's go, guys. So in our first DIY, I am taking this tote, this plastic tote that you can purchase from the Dollar Tree. And as you can see, I'm cutting out one of the sides, the just solid color, and I am removing the stitching from it. And then you'll see me cut out the side with the florals, one side of it. And I will also be cutting the handles off of the one side. Because guys, we are going to make a purse pillow to put on my front porch. Now I did a smaller version for this video, but I will be recreating this and using a larger bag because this is perfect for the rainy weather that will be coming soon. So as you can see, I am using some cotton to fill my purse pillow as the stuffing, and I will let you know that you do not have to use cotton in this. You can use some of those extra bags that you have from the Dollar Tree, Target, Walmart, or any store that has plastic bags and you trying to figure out where you're going to do with them. It's a good way to recycle those and use them for some good. So as you can see, I am just making sure that it's sealed all the way around. And one good thing about this being plastic, I did use my high temp glue gun for this project, and it sealed the edges really well. And now you see me taking this beautiful lace ribbon and just trimming the edges or just outlining the front part of my purse pillow with it. This is some beautiful ribbon. I think I got it from Temu. However, it could have come from Walmart, not Walmart, Dollar Tree. I can't remember. I think it was Temu though. And again, I'm just going around the entire purse and outlining it with this beautiful ribbon. And then I took some of the extra ribbon and created a bow. And now moving on to DIY number 2, I am taking some of that burlap fabric that you can purchase from the Dollar Tree, and that is going to be used as the I can't even think it, the fabric that goes on the inside of your purse. Because what we're going to make out of this side piece of plastic from the bag is a very cute little purse for a little girl, or if you want to carry it, you can. But I thought it was really cute. It came to me after creating my purse pillow. And what I'm doing is just making sure that I seal the edges of this piece or the sides of this piece really well, connecting the plastic and the burlap together. Now guys, you know I cannot cut straight, so I did have to maneuver this piece to make it look right. But you know, Joy got you. I need to go take lessons on how to cut straight. But anyway, I am trying to see what ribbon would look good for this purse. Now, I will say that if I had to recreate this project, I would not have used this particular piece for the pocket or the purse. because of the seam that's down the middle. But nevertheless, it turned out very cute. Great idea. And also, it's something that you can carry in the weather. When it's raining outside, you don't have to worry about the contents getting wet. And so, just as I did with the purse pillow, I am adding some of that burlap decorative ribbon to the front and top portion of what I will now call little purse. And I did end up putting a magnet on the inside of this to close it. You see I have some of that jute rope from the Dollar Tree that will be used as the handle for this purse. And I just glued everything down really well. And there you have it, guys. This cute little purse pillow. And now we're moving on to DIY number 3. I took my medicine bottles and I made sure I sterilized them really well. And then I used some Krylon black spray paint in matte finish and just spray painted it really well. And I was just playing around with some florals to see how I liked it. I didn't particularly like it, so I took those out, and then I decided to add some of the burlap fabric to the center of this piece. And I used the same decorative burlap ribbon that I purchased from the Dollar Tree to the top of that burlap fabric and the bottom of the burlap fabric. And then you'll see me use the jute twine from Walmart to make a bow, and I will put it in the center for all pieces, all 3 bottles, I should say. Now guys, I have gone this long without welcoming you all back to my channel. Welcome to all of my new subscribers. And if you are visiting my channel for the first time and have yet to click on that subscribe button, please make sure you do that. Once this video is over, I welcome you to the Joyful Designs family. I welcome you to become a Joyful subby. It is free. Just like clicking on that subscribe button and clicking that like button is free. And also sharing it is all free. Look at you, helping my channel to grow. I appreciate each and every one of you for rocking with your girl. And I pray that your week has been blessed thus far. So as you can see, I have created my bows, and I am still adding the ribbon to the top and bottom of the fabric. Guys, I almost put this in a different video, but I said, hey, why not? I'll just go ahead and add it to this one. How many of you are ready for the weekend? It seemed like we all rushed the weekend for the weekend to rush on by. So I hope this week slows down so that I can really have time to really enjoy the weekend. So maybe if I think, slow week, slower weekend. What you guys think? And as you can see, I'm just playing around with the florals. I didn't like those, so I decided to go with the single stem. And guys, here is the DIY. Now it is kind of out of order. This is the second DIY, the little purse, and I think this turned out really cute. This is the inside. As you can see, I did cover the magnet with some burlap fabric, and this is how it looked. And this is me just holding it up. And then here's the purse pillow. It is so cute. I think it turned out really adorable, and this would be a very cute addition to my front porch. And then the next clip you will see is my burlap planters. And this has such a boho to me look to it. A little, not much, but a little. And I think this turned out cute. I mean, this whole piece cost me $2, $2.50, $3.75 to the most to make. The bottles came free with my medicine, so I didn't have to pay for that. And I think these turned out really, really cute. You guys got to let me know what you think in the comment section. And again, if you have yet to subscribe to my channel, please make sure you click on that subscribe button and don't forget about the notification bell. That way YouTube will notify you each and every time I upload anything to my channel. And again, I pray that you all have a blessed night. I pray that the rest of your week is blessed and that you have a wonderful day tomorrow, and that you do something that you've never done before. Step outside of your comfort zone. And hey, if you want to try something different, just live on the edge and just do it. Life is too short not to live it and be happy. Guys, again, I hope that you've enjoyed this DIY or these DIYs. And if so, please make sure you leave your comment in the comment section of this video. And until the next DIY, bye.